For number 43, we're again converting degrees to radians, and so we just take the degree measure and we multiply it by pi radians over 180 degrees. Now keep in mind, we're taking a negative number and we're multiplying it by a positive number, which means we're going to get a negative number. And by, let's see, 45 degrees divides evenly into 135 3 times, and 45 degrees goes into 180 degrees 4 times. And so we're left with negative, so we have a negative, we have a 3 pi and over 4 radians. And we don't need to write the word radians because it's already asking us to convert the degree measure to radians. So negative 135 degrees is the same angle measure as negative 3 pi over 4. And it's implied, when you don't see the degree symbol, it is implied, if you're referring to an angle, that that does mean radians. Now, we're going to take the other two, 47 and 55, which are already in radians, and we're going to convert these to degrees. So pi over 3, when you get really proficient at your unit circle, you'll know already that pi over 3 is 60 degrees. But to get there, if you don't remember that, then you would just multiply by 180 degrees over pi radians. Now, as you notice, the pi's cancel. 3 goes into 180, 60 degrees, and 60 times, and we have degrees there, so we have 60 degrees. As I said, when you know your unit circle, it's just a kind of a one and done thing. You don't need to multiply, but you already know the conversion. And then likewise, this one here, negative pi over 2, if you look at a circle and you go down pi over 2 radians, that's 90 degrees negative, so it's going to be negative 90 degrees. If you think about it on a unit circle, visually, you already know that when you know your unit circle. But like I said, if you forget or if you get stuck, you always can convert from radians to degrees by multiplying by 180 degrees over pi radians. And again, the radians cancel. 2 divides evenly into 180 90 times, and you get negative 90 degrees, and that's it. I think I will hold off and do the next few problems in the next video.